if you've been in a car accident, you may find that Allstate Insurance wants to settle quickly with you. And here's why. Allstate knows this. Once that they have your signature on a release, they're off the hook. So if you find out months down the road or a year down the road that maybe you need surgery, maybe that pain that you had that you thought was going to resolve that didn't resolve, they're off the hook. And they also know very shrewdly that people are most desperate after a car accident because oftentimes they miss work, they have medical bills, they have rent to pay, and they often don't get fair value for their car, so they need a replacement car. So Allstate knows these two things, that if they can get you to sign a release early, they're going to get off the hook for more exposure. They're basically going to buy out your claim for pennies on a dollar. You're not going to go to a lawyer. They know that lawyers, on average, at about 3.5 times the value on a claim than somebody who doesn't have a lawyer. So they're getting off the hook for long tail exposure. They're buying your claim cheap, and they're really preying on a situation that their insured has created. So don't be surprised if you're in a car accident and Allstate comes offering you some money. It's going to be low money. It's going to be pennies on the dollar. I've seen people offered $3,000 on claims that settled for $1 million. So just know what you're doing. Always talk to a lawyer before you're, signing any sort of release, and talk to a lawyer who has experience. And if the lawyer's honest, I always tell people, okay, if you have an offer, would I take that offer? Here's why. And we turn down cases if that offer is fair. Like 99 times out of 100, that offer is not close to fair for somebody who knows what they're doing. So don't be surprised if Allstate offers you some quick money. Think about why they're doing it. They're doing it to benefit themselves. You want your case reviewed, you can give me a call, 877-CTF-WINS or 860-471-8333.